Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, and together we'll unlock the secrets behind the objects we use every day. From ancient artifacts to modern marvels, get ready for a journey through time, technology, and a dash of mystery. Let's dive in and uncover the stories hidden in plain sight. Scissors. They're a tool we use for everything from cutting paper to trimming hair. But have you ever wondered how they came to be? Let's snip into the history of this versatile tool. The origins of scissors date back to ancient Egypt, around 1500 BC. The earliest scissors were made of bronze and consisted of two blades connected by a spring mechanism. These primitive shears were used for various tasks, including cutting fabric and hair. By the time of the Roman Empire, scissors had evolved into the crossblade design we recognize today. The Romans made their scissors from iron, and the crossblade design allowed for more precise cutting. This innovation spread throughout the Roman Empire and laid the foundation for modern scissors. During the Middle Ages, scissors continued to evolve. Blacksmiths in Europe began crafting scissors with steel, which was more durable and allowed for sharper blades. Scissors became essential tools for tailors, barbers, and craftsmen. In the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution brought significant advancements to scissor production. Factories began mass-producing scissors, making them more affordable and accessible to the general public. This period also saw the introduction of specialized scissors, such as pinking shears for fabric and grooming scissors for pets. Today, scissors come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. From kitchen shears to surgical scissors, the precision and quality of modern scissors are a testament to centuries of innovation. We even have ergonomic designs that reduce strain on the hand, making cutting easier and more comfortable. Scissors have not only made our daily tasks more manageable, but have also played a crucial role in various industries. From fashion to healthcare, this simple tool has had a profound impact on our lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of everyday objects. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share your thoughts with us. Keep exploring, stay curious, and tune in next time for more everyday mysteries. Until then, remember, there's always more than meets the eye.